welcome back to my channel, and I would really like to thank everyone who's been commenting and liking the video, and it's so nice to read all your comments. It's super supportive, so thank you so much. And this video is the first video of my summer series, so there's going to be a lot of videos over the next 2 months because it's summer and I love summer. And in this video I'm going to show you guys a few ideas you can try over the summer. These are like the best things to try out because summer is such a lazy time and we decide a few things to do but we don't end up doing them, so you can spend hours doing all these DIYs and just not get bored this summer. So yeah, let's get started. For this DIY you need a canvas, paints and paintbrush. I'm gonna start by painting the canvas with water, and just to show you guys I'm actually using water, I'm going to change the angle. So I'm starting with yellow paint and I'm going to do a circular tie-dye effect, so start painting that way. Then dip your brush in water and spread it. So first paint and then water. You can use any colors you want, you can use all the colors if you want. Next take any other color and start painting, and oh my god guys, can you see the effect and how it spreads? This is because of the watery canvas, and isn't this so beautiful? For this DIY you need colored paper, acrylic paint, ribbon and scissors. I'm going to start by making circles on a sheet and then I'm going to cut it. You can use a dark or light colored sheet, and then I wrote summer on them. Now take another colored sheet, paint, and white paint is really important for that ombre effect. And then for making the dots I'm using an earbud. Now take a compass and make 3 smaller circles. This is like a guideline and it can be erased later. Now I'm going to dip my earbud in paint and start making dots along the circles. I'm going from dark to light and mixing more and more white every time I paint. You can use any color combination. I went with pink and blue. And now these are ready for sticking. So just apply some glue on the ribbon and stick it. You're going to need colored paper, glue, scissors and pins. I'm going to start with a red paper, fold it and mark the height you want and then cut it out. And since I'm making a watermelon, I'm also going to cut a dark and light green colored strip and stick it. Now once it's done, start drawing a watermelon shape on it. I'm going to take a pin and make holes along the shape we just drew. Finish it off by applying glue to one end and fold it, and that is all. And that is it for my video. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you're notified every single time I post a video, and also share it with all your friends and family so they can also see it. And I will see you guys next Monday. Bye.